Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faisal Adi Darmawan. Now, I want to tell you about the coronavirus. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, or it called SARS-CoV-2. The disease was first identified in 2019 in Wuhan, the capital of Hubei, China, and has since spread globally, resulting in the 2019-2020 coronavirus pandemic. Common symptoms include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Other symptoms may include muscle pain, sputum production, diarrhea, sore throat, and loss of smell and taste. While the majority of cases result in mild symptoms, some progress to pneumonia and multi-organ failure. As of 25th March 2020, the overall rate of deaths per number of diagnosed cases is 4.5%, but in fact it ranges from 0.2% to 15% according to age group and other health problems. The virus is mainly spread during the close contact and via respiratory droplets produced when people cough or sneeze. Respiratory droplets may be produced during breathing, but the virus isn't considered airborne. People may also catch COVID-19 by touching a contaminated surface and then touch their face. Besides it, not washing your hands before eating also causes the virus to enter our body. Will be worse if the person touch the object after it affected by a splash of saliva that have been infected with corona. The virus can enter through the hands that have not been washed before eating. Then the coronavirus that enters the digestive tract will attack the body's cells and replicate in it. After attacking and replicating, the patient will experience some interference because it has been infected. The virus will usually attack respiratory organs to digestion. It is more contagious when people symptomatic, although spread may be possible before symptoms appear. The time between exposure and symptoms onset is typically around 5 days, but may range 2 to 14 days. Common symptoms include fever, cough, and short of breath. Complications may include pneumonia and acute respiratory distress syndrome. Strategies for preventing transmission of the disease include overall good personal hygiene, hand washing, avoiding touching the eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands, coughing or sneezing into a tissue and putting the tissue directly into a dustbin. Those who may already have the infection have been advised to wear a surgical mask in public. Physical distancing measures are also recommended to prevent transmission. Many governments have restricted or advised against all non-essential travel to and from countries and are affected by the outbreak. However, the virus has reached the stage of community spread in large parts of the world. This means that the virus is spreading within communities whose members have not traveled to areas with widespread transmission. So, that's all that I can explain about the coronavirus or COVID-19. My last word before end this video is please obey the government advice by stay at home and do social distancing. It could help to end this pandemic. Yeah, so that's my last word, and I hope this pandemic will be ended up quickly. So thanks to your attention and bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.